The name states everything, WannaMine. Panda, a Bilbao, Spain-based cybersecurity company, composed in the beginning of February that a new malware variant has actually been taking over computer systems worldwide, hijacking them to mine a cryptocurrency called Monero. The infection recalls WannaCry, a worm that swept the world in Ma. When that happens, a new block is mined, developing a portion of new Monero worth about $1.500 at the time of writing and depositing the windfall to the enemy's wallet. The possibilities that any offered miner will discover the next block first and receive the reward is small, however infect adequate CPUs, and you can hack together a decent income stream. See likewise, how does Bitcoin mining work? On February 11, a comparable however rather more amazing attack was discovered. Cybersecurity scientists Scott Helmond and Thornton Trump, @Hobbit, saw that sites from the UK's National Health Service to the US courts were hijacking visitors' web browsers to mine Monero. So yeah, this is bad. Twitter. com/xqhspr782f Scott Helm. @Scott_Helm. February 11, 2018. The culprit was a text-to-speech plugin popular with Anglophone federal governments called Browse Aloud, which had been contaminated with CoinHive, an in-browser Monero miner that is not always malware per se, its service provider. But something's off. The enemies made nothing, about $24, which wasn't even paid, CoinHive informed Motherboard. And as Helm pointed out, the attack might have been much worse. Attackers had arbitrary script injection on thousands of websites consisting of numerous NHS sites here in England. They could have stolen considerable amounts of very valuable personal data. What's more, provided their chosen technique of attack, the aggressors ought to have picked higher traffic, less scrutinized, lower security targets. Porn websites are popular with cryptominers due to the fact that they fit these criteria. It seems the hijackers' goal wasn't to generate income. Perhaps, as Wired UK's Matt Citizen put it paraphrasing Malwarebytes analyst Chris Boyd, they were producing a proof of concept instead. What principle that might be, Boyd didn't specify. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.